Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I just want to address one thing. So couple of guys actually, texted, commented on couple of my videos regarding the mic issue. The thing is, I was using an external mic, and that was I think it is giving the audio output as mono instead of stereo, because right now I'm using, I'm not using the mic, but I'm using the inbuilt microphone of the phones, because mobile phones have two microphones. One is on this side and one is on this side here. So you guys will get that stereo effect when I'm just moving over here or doing this. I mean, when we are changing something. But instead I used one mic which I kept here in the middle. So that might be the reason, because when I'm hearing over it, over my TV or over with over my phone, it was clear, but it was not on stereo. That's the issue I think you guys faced. So I'm not using that mic anymore. And another thing is, okay, so this week we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Premium and some couple of premium brand cars as well. And couple more guys actually told about the mat which I was using. I was using the BMW before, but they were telling me that that was too distracting, so I just switched to the Spider-Man one. This is just plain blue, and it looks really nice. So I'm using this one for this week. So you guys let me know because right now I can't able to see properly over my display here. How clear it looks. Maybe once I post the video, you guys can check and let me know on that. How good it looks, or whether it feels a bit dull or something. So with that said, let me just pull out all the cars for this week, and we will go one by one. Okay. So this one, okay, this one I really need to say this. This one immediately became a peg warmer, because wherever I went, I'm still seeing this at least 10 or 15 pieces in each shop. So, this one actually, I didn't buy this. Originally, I thought this is not going to, not going to be easy to get. So I asked one of my group guy, his name is Ashwin. So he bought this to me. So he bought it in a shop. I think you can see here. So he bought it for MRP only. And but the moment I got it from him, the same day in my native place, I saw the entire box full of this particular car. So yeah, so we are going to unbox this and see how this one looks. So let's keep this aside. And here's the second one. Okay, so this one is my personal favorite, because I do like fighter jets from my childhood. So this is the F-14 Tomcat, and this one is from the GI Joe series. Okay, there are two versions of this. One is from GI Joe, and another one is from Maverick, the movie. So both are actually same casting, with the different the card. That's it. Nothing. There is no difference at all. So if you are planning to buy both, it's up to you. If you want to save some money and go for a different brand, or buy something different, that's a good option if you ask me, because in end of the day the casting is exactly the same, only the card differs. Okay, so this also I bought for MRP, which is 549, not more than that. Okay, next one is this one I bought. I usually don't buy fantasy casting at this price point, but I personally bought this because I do like this particular font style. So this is actually in this bus itself. So last time also they did some MTV tour bus kind of thing, and this time also they are doing something like that. Last time I didn't buy that, so this time I bought it, and it is a bit heavy, and this color scheme and everything looked really nice, so I bought it. And so this is the last one in the Hot Wheels Premium, which I bought recently. So the Wrangler Shagara, Jeep Wrangler Shagara. So this one is from the Jurassic Park movie series, and yeah. So these are actually pretty easy to get now. So the hardest ones are like the Porsche from Cyberpunk game, and there is one more from Maverick. Again, both are same casting, but different card and different livery on that one. I do have the Cyberpunk Porsche, which I bought a couple of years back. I think a year and a half back, from a guy who imported it. I bought it for 1,000 rupees, 1,100 or so. So I didn't unbox it yet, but I was hoping to get one in India and thought of unboxing that one instead. But you know, um, unlucky me, I'm yet to get that one. So let's see. Let's maybe, who knows? Maybe I might get that. Okay. So the next one would be this one. It's been some time since I got this. Actually, my wife actually gifted me this. So this one is by Tarmac, and this one is the Moon Eyes version. So this I don't know how it actually looks, but I came to know that it's like the pure white version. So let's see how this one looks. And last but not least, my personal favorite, which I recently bought, which is this one. So the Lamborghini Huracan STO, and this is by Pop Race. So I don't want to spoil this in this in this video itself. I want you guys to watch that video to see why I personally like this one. I personally love this one. I know it's more than that. So we did unbox that Countach 2022 Countach. I pre-ordered both at the same time, but this one took some time. Actually, I pre-ordered both of this last year September. But the Countach, I think I unboxed a month back or so. That's the time when I bought it and actually received it. And this I bought it I think a week back or so. So just start off unboxing it this week. Okay, guys. So with that said, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for this unboxing. And have a great day. Goodbye.